This is a very short tutorial to get you started on using DyKnow Cloud Monitor. It's very possible that you might not have used DyKnow Cloud, the interactive piece, in a while, so I'll show you the direct way to get there. The easiest way is to go through your building's homepage. I'm on the middle school page. There's a link to it from the student drop-down. It says DyKnow Login. We don't currently have one for staff, but I'll ask Randy to put one there as well. So click on DyKnow Login. It's the same login credentials that you use to log into the computer with. If you happen to have a problem with that, it can resend you your login information. It can do that for students as well. So I'll log in, and it defaults to my schedule. I'll click on the class that I want to monitor. It works a lot different than the way that the current DyKnow Monitor works. So just pay attention to the details here, and it's a lot simpler. If you've been messing around in here, you notice that there's now a tab that's titled Blocking. So you can click on this blocking plan ahead of time and apply it and have it in your queue, or you can do one on the fly. I'm setting a plan ahead of time, ahead of class. So I will name my plan. Once you've named it, then you have two choices. You can whitelist, which means all of the sites and applications that you will allow students to go to. Alternatively, there is a blacklist, and that is allow only. So it would allow your students to only go to this URL or these URLs and applications. The one that you will use most often is your whitelist. Unfortunately, with this current version of DyKnow Cloud Monitor, you cannot apply both a whitelist and a blacklist. I'll give you a good example of a URL that you might want to whitelist. If you're a math teacher, let's say you want to whitelist the IXL website. When I start typing things in that are common, it will pop up. So I'm going to add that to my whitelist. You can see that that's here. Now the trick is you've got to add your web browser. We use Google Chrome, and that is an application. So you won't type in Google, for instance. You will type in Google Chrome. In doing that, that means that the students in this example are going to be able to go only to IXL, the website, and they're going to be able to access that through Google Chrome. So let me type in Google Chrome here, and there you see it's honored down here below. So I save my plan, and that's all you need to do to set it up ahead of time. So I'm going to go back over to I'm going to start my class rather. When your students have this installer, what you will see is all of the thumbnails. Now, I don't happen to have any students in my test class. The refresh on this is a lot quicker than the current version, and so you should be able to see your students' thumbnail screens here relatively quick. One of the features that is not on this version right now is the ability to block an individual student. So I want you to know that ahead of time. I'm going to go over and I'm going to select the plan that I just created, and you have to enforce it. Once I enforce that plan, which I guess I'm not enforcing it because I don't have any classes, or students rather, in my class, I've got my plan ready to go, and there you go, should turn green, and now my plan is enforced, and that should take effect immediately. That's just a quick way to show you how to use DyKnow Cloud Monitor. I've attached PDF and video tutorials, and I'm available to give you face-to-face training upon request. Just let me know. Thank you.